Hi there, Kipsters. Welcome to science class. I'm Ms. Dobek, and I am so excited to learn science with you this year. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what is science? Science is the study of the world around us. We're talking about plants, animals, people, how things work, how things are made. Studying all of those things is studying science. Scientists think about what's going on around them, ask questions about it, and then they make guesses about their answers. Now, after they make guesses, they design experiments to test their guesses. Sometimes their guesses were right, sometimes their guesses were wrong, but they run the experiments to see if their guesses were right, and then they can find answers to their questions. That's what we're going to be doing this year as scientists. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Miss Dobek. This is my 4th year being a teacher, and some of you might remember me as a kindergarten teacher last year. But this year, I'm going to be teaching you science in one of your specials classes. I know a lot about science, and it is my passion. I went to a school called Roosevelt University, and there I studied biology, which is a fancy way of saying that I studied the science of all living things. I'm so excited to take those things that I've learned and help you learn them too. One more thing about me is that in April, I adopted a dog named Hooch. He is very sweet and goofy. There's a picture of him right there. He has a very long tongue, and he limps because he hurt his leg with a puppy. It has been so fun being a dog mom, so I wanted to share his picture with you. Now, this year, you are going to be logging on to Science Specials once a week. We are not going to be doing live sessions like you would be with your teacher. You're just going to log on to the Science Google Classroom at 1:10 on Tuesdays. You're going to check the stream to see what you need to complete for class that day, and you're going to complete any assignments in the classwork tab. My 2 big rules for science this year are that 1, you're going to try your best. If you come across a difficult question or assignment, I want you to just try your best. When you try and make a mistake or get a wrong answer, it helps you learn, and it also helps me know what I still need to teach you. If you don't try at something, then you can't learn it, and I don't know what I need to teach you. So my expectation is that you always just try your best. The second thing I want you to remember this year is respect. I want you to have respect for yourself and your education, and make sure that you're working hard and logging on when you need to be. I want you to respect your classmates and their education, and also your guardians helping you at home and your teacher. Now, this year, we are going to learn about one of my very, very favorite things in science. We're going to be talking about animal and plant defenses. And if you don't know what that means yet, that's okay, because we're going to be learning about it. But here are some of the questions we're going to be asking. We're going to ask, what do plants and animals need to survive? How do plants and animals defend themselves? And how do baby animals survive? This is a super exciting thing to learn about, and we're going to be learning this talking to a sea turtle. So I'm very excited to learn this year with you. Now, to get us thinking about animals and plants and things like that, I want to talk about my favorite animal. I'm going to tell you a few things about it, and I'm going to see if you can think of what it is. My favorite animal is brown, tan, yellow, and white. My favorite animal is very, very tall. And my favorite animal eats leaves off of trees. Can you guess what it is? I want you to keep that guess in your brain, because after this, you're going to log back onto Google Classroom and watch the YouTube video I posted all about my favorite animals. I want you to see if you were right. After that, you're going to log onto the classwork tab and tell me about your favorite animal. Now, parents, this is my teacher contact information. If you need anything, you can go ahead and email me at mdobek@kippjacks.org. If you do email me, please include the student's name, grade, and class name. That way I know exactly what you need, exactly what I need to help you with. I'm also connected to all of the Class Dojo classrooms, so you can message me on there. You can also call or text me if you need to. My phone number is there at the bottom. I will try my best to respond to all messages within 24 hours. So if you need any help with Google Classroom or an assignment, please don't hesitate to reach out. Now, KIPPsters, I'm so excited to learn science with you this year. I hope you're excited too. Go check out that YouTube video about my favorite animal, and let's get started learning for the year. I'll see you later.